Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming requirements. Your iPhone is updated and the accessory is powered and in pairing mode. Open Settings or swipe to Control Center and enable Bluetooth now. This activates the radio so devices can see one another. Make sure airplane mode is off and you're within a few meters of the accessory. If an app is required for pairing, keep it open. Once Bluetooth is on, stay on the screen so you can monitor the accessory, appearing in the available devices list. Next, locate the accessory under Bluetooth in Settings. It will show under Other Devices or Nearby Devices. Tap its name to initiate pairing. If a PIN or code appears, enter it exactly and accept any permission requests for location, contacts, or microphone. Those permissions enable full functionality. Wait for the status to change to connected. Then immediately test the primary function, like audio playback or controls, to verify the connection works. If the device won't pair, cycle the accessory's pairing mode and try again. Finish by verifying the accessory appears as connected and is selected for audio or input in Control Center. This ensures future automatic reconnects. If you need to repair, choose Forget this device in the Bluetooth list and restart the accessory before repeating the sequence. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing repeatedly fails, restart the iPhone, fully charge both devices, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and only then try again if problems persist. Reset network settings as a last resort to clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.